for being here. Thank you for what you're doing. Know that it is absolutely appreciated, and this is hard, but I intend to go fast. I intend to do the things that we may not normally do, but barring someone saying we can't do that, it's on the table for me in the name of helping LA rebuild. I want all of you to think that way. Think like that. Everyone. Can it be done faster? Can we get one more rep? Can we shave a second? Can we shave a day? Can we do it now? And if not now, why not? And if it's problematic down the road, then let's have that discussion. And what can we do to mitigate? That is the mindset that I have going in, and a sense of urgency that I want to display. If you see someone in a red shirt, or you see someone in this get-up, they're getting after it. They are leaving nothing on the table. They are hustling. And that's what I want to get caught doing. So I'll end where I started. Thank you. I asked where everyone was from as I was making around some, because it was the point of this team of ours, disparate from different places. We're coming to coalesce and do good work. We have come together from all different places, and we're a part of something special.